Hello guys, you're welcome again to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can use Adobe Lightroom to do photo editing on our smartphone. But before we do that, I know some of you this is your first time of coming into this channel. I would like you to hit on that subscribe button. So I'm going to give you 3 seconds to hit on that subscribe button. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much for subscribing. And also please like this video, because the more you like this video, many people will benefit from what you'll be benefiting from this video. So I'll give you 3 seconds to just spare out your time and like this video. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much for liking this video. And also I'd like you to turn up the notification bell, because each time I drop a new video you'll be aware. So just turn up the notification bell. And again, I have a list of tutorials that you can go through to boost your design skills. So right away I have an opportunity for you that I don't want you to miss. So before we go into this video, I'd like you to go through this opportunity and make your decision. So over the years I've come to discover that there are a lot of people who wants to learn graphic designing but yet don't have access to sophisticated tools like laptops, computers and so on. So I have crafted a course that will help you to do professional design with your smartphone. You can actually use your smartphone to craft out professional designs. So this is a detailed course that will give you design process study, detailed video tutorials, access to premium design resources, access to professional designers forum and so on and so forth, and how you can monetize yourself. I've actually made millions from doing graphic design with my smartphone. So I'm sure that this course will help you to create stunning and functional designs that will generate earnings. So take advantage of this course. This is one of the courses you shouldn't miss this year. So the full details are in the description. Actually, I give out this course for 5,000 francs. That is the fee. But I'm giving it out on a discount of 1,500 francs. For those of you in Cameroon, you can purchase 1,500 francs. Those of you in Nigeria is 3,000 francs. Those of you in Ghana is 37,000 francs. So if you are not in any of these countries, you can just check the equivalent to your own currency and purchase the course. And mind you, this offer is valid only for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, it goes back to its normal price. So you have to try by every means to purchase this course. This will change your design skill. So this course is a no-miss course. So thank you very much. Let's get into the business of the day. Alright, this is Adobe Lightroom. You can download from Google Play. Or if you are using Apple, you can download from App Store. Adobe Lightroom to edit your photos. So I will just click on it. So this is how it looks like. So these are the various compartments. And right away, what I will be doing here is to upload the photo I want to edit. So I will click here. So I will navigate to where I have the photo. So let me just click this photo. I will be editing this photo. Click on add. Then now to locate the photo, you come to all photos. You look at the top, you have all photos. You click on all photos. So this is a photo here. I click on the photo. Alright, so we are going to do some working on this photo. So the first thing, I will navigate through my tools and I click on the light tool. For the contrast, I will increase the contrast a bit. Just check the numbers at which they are being increased. So the contrast will be at 12. The highlight, I'll keep the highlight same at 14. Then later on I'll go to color, vibrance. The vibrance, I'll keep it at this number 12. Same with the saturation. The saturation is too much, let me reduce. So the saturation will be at 10. So I'll come now to effect, the texture, increase the texture to this number 19, clarity to 20, the haze 23. Yeah, so I'll come now to detail. So yeah, I'll just increase everything to the full, just increase everything to its maximum. Alright, so this is what we have realized. Yeah, this is what we have realized. So to download this, you click on this share tool up, and from there you can click on save to device. So we are done editing, so just take out any of the pictures and try. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like this video, comment. I want to see your comment. If there's anything not clear, drop it on the comment section. Also, do remember that Jesus loves you and have a wonderful plan for your life.